Hey there YouTube, it's JP Dunphy, your BMW genius here at West German BMW. How you doing today? So in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to use your adaptive cruise control in your BMW. For those of you who don't know, when you see these buttons right here on your steering wheel, these are your adaptive cruise controls. And I'll show you exactly how to use those. I also have another video about the speed limit assist. If you want to see that, that one's will be right up here in the upper corner. I did figure out that's where those little links go. So, I found that out. Anyway, I'll stick that up there in the corner for you. And with that, I'm going to get on the road and I'll show you exactly what you'll see when you use this system. So let's get going. Alrighty, so here we are on the highway. And what I'm going to do now is activate the system right here. Now what you do is you see right up there on the middle, you do have that car in front of us. There is a car in front of us right now. You can also see on the heads-up display, you get the exact same little setup. So what's happening here is I can adjust my follow distance by pressing this button here. So this will decrease the follow distance, meaning I'll follow closer. Or I can increase the distance by pressing the right side one. So if I press the right side, you'll see that's going to increase our distance and we're going to drop back a little bit from the car in front of us. Now as that car gets out in front of us, now we're going to pick up speed again. Let's decrease that distance one more time. Now I don't know if you can really see, but on the heads-up display you are getting the same readouts that's in front of us. So now that truck up there is too far ahead of us. Let's speed up a little bit so we can catch up to him. There you go. So now he's within distance. So you see there's now a car right there again. And if I'm going to reset our speed here. So watch this. I'm going to stick our speed all the way up there at 75, which is much higher than where we're supposed to go. But you'll see we're only going at 57. Why? Because the car in front of us is not going that fast. So this keeps us our set one bar away from the car in front of us. Now if I increase that to 2 bars, you'll see we're going to drop back a little bit. There you go. That's a 2-bar follow distance. And again, that just keeps you that set distance away from the people in front of you. So that's that. And that's how you use your adaptive cruise control. Oh look, now the car has moved out front in front of us, the car will start to accelerate again to go up to our preset speed. But that is also speeding, so we're not going to do that, and we're going to take this back down. Always obey traffic signals and traffic signs. Safety. And with that, that's how you use your adaptive cruise control. Any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below. And we'll get to them whenever you have a chance, as well as any other videos you would like us to make. Thanks for being with us today. Again, I'm your BMW genius, JP. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.